I moved to the States because I was raised with the idea that there was the land of the opportunity. We live in the greatest country in the world. I've been in the restaurant industry in Santa Fe for the past 30 years. I'm originally from Mexico City. I moved to the States with $100 in my pocket, and I have been able to own my own business and be very happy. I've been running different types of operations from casual to fine dining. I'm the executive chef and partner at Sazon Restaurant in Santa Fe, New Mexico. I capture flavors from all over the world and incorporate it to my cuisine. For me, it has been very important to promote the culinary industry in Santa Fe and to elevate the industry. I've been part of a program, Cooking with Kids, that teach in elementary schools about cuisine of the world, which showcase basic techniques of cuisine of different cultures. As well, they learn math and they learn other different science. And I was one of 3 chefs recognized by Mrs. Obama for my participation and for bringing the roots of Mexico into the area. We have the Pro Star program in Santa Fe, in the Santa Fe High School. A couple years ago, they won the competition and they were to compete nationally. The kids are so talented, and it's opening the doors for them to become an incredible chefs. The message that I try to transfer to all the kids in Cooking with Kids and the Pro Star program, you need to do what your passion is. If you are in a profession that you love, money will come. The target is to be happy and give the best that you can of you. I want to be in the restaurant industry because I want to share the food that I love with the people. That's Sazon. We want people to have an experience. We don't rush people. We want them to have a leisurely dinners, like they are dining in our homes. Last year, unfortunately, we have a small fire in the second floor of the building that keep us closed for 7 months. We support all the workers through these 7 months that we were closed. We pay their salaries. I wouldn't been able to reopen if I wouldn't have the staff ready. It would have been impossible. I want to share the philosophy or the prayer of my kitchen that says this: Dear God, I humbly request, create a sacred space of joy around this kitchen. Help me feel the importance of what I do. Bless me as I prepare this meal. Bless the ingredients I use. May this meal be a reflection and embodiment of your love, and may it bless the body, mind, and spirit of all who partake of it.